Shalom, shalom, shalom. You are welcome to Zion City, the Yahweh Synagogu in Jerusalem, where everything we do is of God, the God of Bible, is not God of Sunday. Jesus Christ, Yahsua, does not worship Sunday, keeps Sabbath. Say, I am the Lord of Sabbath. Mary, you call Mary, mother of Yahsua, does not worship on Sunday, he keeps Sabbath. So, today teaching, why are you against Sabbath? I know there's Occultic Sabbath. I know there's Marine Sabbath. I know there's the first Sabbath, but the truth remains. Sabbath is the only true church in the whole worldwide. Sabbath is the only church of the Most High God. Sabbath is church Okandi. That's why you cannot find Oye Yoruba name Sabbath. You cannot find Oye Hausa name Sabbath. You cannot find Oye other tribe. They don't do Sabbath. Sabbath is even Igbo. So Sabbath is Igbo religion, tradition of Igbo. Because when you inhabit Israel, if you go to Israel, when they want to, they have a baby 8 days. The baby is written in your Bible. You want to sacrifice to God, you use lamb, you use cow. Ndị Igbo adebere arụsị. Ndị Igbo adebere mmụọ mmiri. Ndị Igbo ebere Chukwu, which is the God of Sabbath, God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Now, from the finance, you can still do research on yourself. You can like to believe whatever anybody told you. But you have to go to make an important job. But before I start, I want to pray and let us also worship God. Father, in my name of Yahshua, I pray by the power of the Holy Spirit. Today I have so many enemies. Do you know what I'm doing? Because of getting Israel. But that's an Israel who look possible. So I can help Israel. So many of you will say, why are you fighting Doka? Why are you fighting Domina? Why are you fighting Dokik? Why are you fighting men? Today, just follow us. I will explain to you why I'm fighting this thing. I'm only doing everything I'm doing to save my people, not for my own gain, not for selfish gain, to save one people, you know. Anybody who want to save Africa, once you have decided to save an African black man, be ready to go to jail, be ready to die, or be ready to label evil. So I am among the people that label evil man, native doctor, occultic man, all those things. Well, all those things he said does not with me, because even Jesus Christ, Yahshua, they called him madman, they called him false prophet, they say you have demons, they said all those things to Jesus Christ, Yahshua. So if you're saying the same thing to me, it's not a lot thing, because it is written that the world will reject you, and no one can make any. God saw us because he knew who is who. I want to now name some things for you. Anyone that is saying the truth, the world will be against you. Anyone that wants to deliver Africa, if they have not fight you, you know you don't want to deliver Africa. Okay, let us start from Gaddafi. Gaddafi is someone who have made Libya to become great. They killed him. Who killed him? White people. Let us come to Nelson Mandela. He tried to help his people. He was jailed for many years. Who did that? Ndocha. Jesus Christ, Yahshua, they claim that you love, you like it, everything. Get people in Ndocha. David Yahweh would have been killed by now. By what? By Ndocha, but how should they use him because of waiting? I exposed something. He and he said it. plan heavily against me, enemies everywhere, from tradition, from religion, from Christianity, from all over the whole world. I was seeing the battle came. But glory be to God, I'm here to say this. As na Bakalaga Mozo, it also Ghana. Because I hear Jogo, I hear Digene, I hear Jofo. So thank you very much. You're welcome to this episode. Today is Sabbath day. Remember that we are building. God sent me to Anambra State 2006. I'm building a mountain letter 4, and I have a deal. Satan appear, God appear. There's a get together and die. He said I should give the girl to other people should die, be dying, but you start exposing Satan. So they will give me a billion. I rejected it. The one who fake is of Satan take that thing now. I don't want to be calling anybody now. Starting from now, since they were actually Zoom, since so much on politics, and I love lies. I cannot lie, but I will support. I will stop fighting any. I will stop fighting any pastor that is doing arrange, and I will stop fighting any native doctor that is doing evil. Except if you brought the case to me, because we must love ourselves. If you come to Yoruba land, there are so many native doctors which are even doing well, but I am against we shouldn't be killing ourselves. Why people like Oyedipo? You know that they are fantastic. Why people like TV Joshua? Why people like Shalom and Salafi? Shalom and Salafi is like Sabbath in the Yoruba. They do a lot of spiritual work, and nobody speaks against them. When you're speaking against your own demon, Sabbath, you speak against your own. You don't know that Shalom and Salafi, Celestia, they copied from Sabbath, but they are not original. On the Sabbath, go and do research. Not like the Catholic Ibam, not like the Pentecostal Ibam. We have people like Edin and Og. They gang up and kill him. Edin and Og did not keep him. Edin and Og knows spiritual work. Edin and Og, not what I will talk about is let me just play this song. God bless you. Please help me to share and write your family. I'm catching the gozo.
Madenike, Gandanike, no make it na ba, no kitty bubo, no fake Dibia Zemwani, Dr. Chukwu Dibia because of Anyo.
Shalom, God bless you.
Anambra light of the nation. I'm moving at 2022. The next one at 2025. I don't know if I can do that. I got boss. All the Yahweh Chukwu Dibia. All over the whole world. All the oh my soul. So guys, coração ya cabeiro, no. David, we are the Zion. Prophet David, Yahweh, Yahweh, Chukwu gọziri nna Anambra were wetara anyị gọva Soludo ga-achịrị anyị ọzọ. Anambra nwekwanụ ndị Igbo ji agbanụ mgbanwe. Anambra nwekwanụ ndị odegwu ndị uche na Amerịka London tụrụ ugonatanụ Prince Otto Ezenugbo Inosi Moto odegwu Lowisaza Tego Wande Yama Kobe Kupana Imoni Kasi Wande Mo Na Afgana Chini Emenonwe Kema Kabira Wande Femona Bania APC and the Fredani Bishop Nazoro
Comment, God bless you.
Jesus, I Anambra Prophet David Yahweh Ajajo for one Chukwu Dibia Chukwu Mafano Yejo for Ofo Mapano Onyeji Yao Adebu Walo Chukwu Chukwu Kuke Anyabu Umarusio Chukwu Kuke Anyabu Pangu Izubelo Wanebo Udo Gachino Asino Wanike, Okumbanike, don't make one making the Napa. No kitty boo, Umo Fekedi Besawani, Chukwu can be Prophet David Yahweh, onye amụma nna na mbara ji n'abalị ikele.
Share the telecast and invite your family. God bless you.
Akụneche mba. Akụneche Igbo. Udo na Chilo. Chukwu ka Dibia.
Power.
Akụneche mba.
God bless you. God bless you. People are watching from TikTok, are watching from Facebook, are watching from YouTube. God bless you. Almighty God of Prophetic bless you. Chineke si Chineke ndị agha ga-agba unu ụzọ ya na ụlọ.
Ọ gịnị ka mere gị gwanụ m ihe mere gị ọ bụ gịnị ka mere gị ndị amosu ọ bụ gịnị ka mere gị ndị oke ite ọ bụ gịnị ka mere ndị eze nwanyị ọ bụ gịnị ka mere anụ ha ji achụ m kirikirikiri ha ji agarụ m na be ndọkọtue atụkwara m na be ntazamaịdo arịse Chukwu karịa bịa mmanya Chukwu ji ihe denu mbanụ mmanya Chukwu ji ihe anụ ogwe aka na-etiwo agbara etiwo na arụsị ihe ya ye Chukwu ka dịbe nwanne na ọka ya arụsị Chukwu ka dịbe nwanne na ọka ya arụsị Chukwu ka dịbe nwanne na ọka ya arụsị Ogihi na na-efe Chukwu iwe si na ị ga-egbu ma ọ bụrụ akụkọ iwere si na ị ga-eje n'ezi obi ka gị gacheche
Marika Mochasi
here about that. Oh, my goodness, say power.
Power. Victory, victory, victory. Let him go. Victory at last. Oh God, we work in we are the Igbo Jews, we are the Israelites. God bless you.
Yo, welcome to Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogu in New Jerusalem. We are the Zionites, we are the Israelites, we are the Igbo Jews, we are the chosen one. Shalom. Magu Nechapa, Magu Abumori, Chapara Wagwe, Asimu Chapara Wagwe, Chapara Wago, Chapara Wagwe. Power! One for a time, the world of the city. I say, Chapara Wagwe, Chapara Wagwe, Chapara Wagwe, yeah, Chapara Wagwe, Chapara Wagwe, yeah, Chapara Wagwe, Chapara Wagwe, I say, Chapara Wagwe, Chapara Wagwe, yeah, Chapara
ọ ga-adị nwoke ma dị nwaanyị mma ụtụtụ ọma ehihie ọma abalị ọma ụmụ Chineke atụ n'ụjọ ọsọ ya na Chineke kwụ ya dị ụmụ agụ na-eche Igbo ụmụ agụ na-eche mba ụmụ Rhino tribe of Dibia family, you're welcome to Zion City. The most powerful altar in the world.
Chukwu Dibia, ọhaneze kwelugono, ụmụ Chukwu Dibia. David Yahweh.
Jesus, holy
oh, what is Jesus,
Jesus, holy
Jerusalem,
Jesus, holy
Jerusalem,
Jesus, holy
Jesus, even no church, Jesus, now only one thing, Zion, Jesus, I wish that you would believe why I will of Israel. No, night.
Jesus, holy
Jesus of Nazareth,
Jesus, holy
I'm watching my page. I can't see any to cheer.
Jesus, holy
Jesus, Jesus, Jesus Ibonya Nambara Nwe. Jesus, Jesus Ibonya Enugu State one day. Jesus, Jesus Ibonya Owerri Imo State Port Harcourt. Aye, aye, ewo, Chineke mo. Jesus Ibonya Igbo. Aye,
Jesus Holy Go.
Jesus of Nazareth.
Jesus Holy Go.
When you think to sin, Jesus.
Jesus Holy Go.
Okay, came out. Thank God. I'm not a program. I'm
Chukwu ka Dibia. Ọhaneze kwelugodo. Ụmụ Chukwu ka Dibia. Obodo kwelugodo. Chukwu ka Dibia. Ọhaneze kwelugodo. Ụmụ Chukwu ka Dibia. Obodo kwelugodo. Chukwu ka Dibia. Ọhaneze kwelugodo. Ụmụ Chukwu ka Dibia. Chukwu ka Dibia.
Jesus Ibonya Igbo.
Obodo kwelugodo. Chukwu ka Dibia. Ọhaneze kwelugodo. Ụmụ Chukwu ka Dibia. Obodo kwelugodo. Chukwu ka Dibia. Ọhaneze kwelugodo. Ụmụ Chukwu ka Dibia. Obodo kwelugodo. Chukwu ka Dibia. Ọhaneze kwelugodo. Ụmụ Chukwu ka Dibia. Obodo kwelugodo. Chukwu ka Dibia. Ọhaneze kwelugodo. Ụmụ Chukwu ka Dibia. Obodo kwelugodo. Chukwu ka Dibia. Ọhaneze kwelugodo. Ụmụ Chukwu ka Dibia.
is written, one name. Chukwu nyegenu, chetamana nozo, onye mechi, onye misi ga mwesi. Umu David Yahweh, Chukwu kose nozo. Inona Sabanshai, Inona Italy, Inona Nigeria, Inona South Africa, Inona Dubai, Emirati, Inona Philadelphia, one more. I went over one day. Only to separation, I went over one day. I reached a Chukwu at Dibia. I went over one day.
So God bless you. Share the telecast. Make sure you share the telecast to all your group. God bless you. Evangelist, God bless you.
Billion. I will not be one day no more.
Oh, come
Obodo Kwelugodo, Chukwu Dibia. Omo Chukwu Dibia. Chukwu Dibia. Omo Chukwu Dibia.
Upanobu na bosa.
Chukwu Dibia. Omo Chukwu Dibia.
Ikebura mara mwana
Chukwu Dibia.
Ike jebunye ego, Ike jemeni ife, Ike nana mmụọ. God bless you. Yes. Ụmụ Chukwu Dibia. Jesus bụ onye Igbo by the Yahweh. Power. Hey, Chukwu Dibia, power. Chukwu Dibia. Do you know this song is a prophecy? This song is a prophecy. All those Dibia in the Machanaka, Mapoko, make a hit, no Jesus, name them. This song was, it's 2023, I did it, so it's coming to pass. Everything I say is coming to pass. Who is the man that say it come to pass? Well, the Lord, I'm not aware of it. This is not where you come and say, I saw, I see. They tell you, they pray, they show. If you don't believe, you believe the testimony. God bless you.
The trophy is coming to Enugu.
If you don't believe, believe the testimony. Want to pray?
The trophy is coming. The trophy is coming to Enugu and Lagos. That's right, football fans.
It's me doing adverts. Did I ask you to be sharing adverts? Okay. God bless you. I want to put a small sound on my voice. Today is Rose. Martins, God bless you. Worship. Evangelist, God bless you. Shalom, God bless you. Everybody worship, God bless you. Wherever you're joining us. I want to teach Sabbath, and I want to sincerely apologize to everyone. You know, time of battle is different from normal time. I'll finish all my battle. And I think by the grace of God, as for God's grace, I will not be able to call in anybody's names. Because too much of everything is not good. So everything we say, we are saying it under influence of the Holy Spirit. We are not saying anything that can get anybody. We are just trying to save our people. So this program to be noisy because of yeah. Let me off it. That's I don't Otherwise, I don't want the noise. Okay, I don't want this to be noisy. I believe the background is okay. Now, thank you, Rose Martin. God bless you. Thank you for the observation and everything. The Almighty God lift you up and protect your family. Yeah. God bless you. You know, they say 2 heads are better than 1. Me, I know there's a noise, but I don't know. It's after I finish the program, I'll be hearing the noise. It's fun, so I've put it over the fan. So I believe I can be able to do it without the fan. So God bless you. Many people don't understand me. I think I'll be mixing Igbo with this because I want my people to understand what I want to say. First in history of a mankind, there is no church if it's not Sabbath. Don't be deceived by anybody, by any prophet, by any reverend father, by any prophetess. Anybody who cannot tell you today is the day of the Lord is false prophet or false prophetess, and they are all working for Satan. I don't care to know how offended it is. I may not be mentioning them, but I'm here to tell you the truth. Whether if you like the truth, you follow. If you don't like the truth, you can unfollow. I was not caring when my followers came down to 20,000 from 50,000 watch when I'm doing program. Is it not that I will care? So you know that there's nothing to fear. Even if you don't follow, I'll do my program. And the people will come out. Most people that watch my program, they are pastors, they are evangelists, they are prophetess, they are traditional people, because I am full with wisdom and power. My program is not for kids. Because a carnal man cannot understand my program. People that watch my program, that's why when I'm on live, you will not see people watching. So the pastor don't want you to see them watching me. The Reverend Father don't want you to see them watching me. The apostle don't want you to see them watching my program. The evangelists, the prophetess, the native doctors, the SNY don't want you to see them in my program. But after my program, they will come and watch my program. That's why when you look at what they say, they're similar to what I've been preaching. All of them, name them all. It's what I preach, is what they will just refine and start saying to the church. Go and check their messages from 2020 down. You see that all of them, their message, both by Damina, check in message far back. You see that the message have changed. Now we bring the revolution. Now we bring and we destroy many things. So they have no choice than to follow. So they will die because they have crowd. So they will come and talk. Hey, you look like very dark black man just came out. Those are people I motivated all of them. Yes. Very dark black man, Ebe Damina, Prophet X, all those are people. Because when I born things of TB Joshua, 2018, Jeremiah, Buchiri, they are not there. Check it now. 2018, we don't see Prophet S. Bedamina still in the church collecting tithe and offering. Well, then there's no very dark Brahman. Most of the people that you see on the internet, they are not there. Ebuko said we don't hear about him. It's we that brought the revelation. That's why I am the only prophet he cannot see anytime you want to see, even if you're a billionaire. I am the only prophet in the whole world that if you want to see, even if you're a billionaire, you cannot see at your own time. You don't see me without appointment. I prefer to go to the street and preach to the poor, to preach in marketplaces, than to attending one useless billionaire somewhere. I don't do that nonsense. Do you know how many people that came from this Passover? So they have gone to their prophet too. They still want to see me. Okay, I have option. I can be your second option. You have come to do program. Oh, he saw me in one program. Okay, now want to see me. You don't. If you want to see me, you must book me ahead. I will give you time. You don't just, hey, I came from America, I want to see you. No, you didn't come for me. Go and do what you want to do. If you want to come and see me, book for me. I will know you are coming to see me. You have gone to different prophets and you still come to me. I'm not crazy. I am not those part of your prophet. I am not Facebook prophet. I'll come online and start praying. The time I'm online, I just want to prove to people there's a power. I was online healing people, doing all kind of miracles for you to know there is no. We're not talking jargons. I fasted for 1 year. I stayed in wilderness for 5 years. Now, I'm trained as a Sabbath, as a prophet, and as apostle. So my own dimension of a prophetic and the movement is not the same with anybody in the world because I am different. Can your pastor let's date? Can your pastor do miracle on the street? No, it can't. They only prophesy by information. 99% of pastors they do guesswork. You cannot come and see anybody say I do arrange. You can't see that nonsense. Both in prophecy, both in miracle. That's why if I have my videos, I will be showing you things I've said 2020 as I say it as it happens. See this Zion media in Ogechina. The reason why that video I put it on YouTube. If not so, I don't have the video. Okay, just last year I went to YouTube and collect because it's not on my Facebook. They have reported it, so I went to collect it on YouTube and show you. If not so, I won't have it. I walk on all the prophecy I give is not there. So my own, if I'm talking to you, I'm already giving you prophecy. Because when I'm talking to you, I'm going to the problem you have. I'm not coming to give you prophecy that like one of my son that called me now. He said, oh, they told him that you're gonna die, you're gonna die, you're gonna die, you're gonna buy ram, all those are this. Okay, they told you you're gonna die, you're gonna buy ram and those things. And now he came to me and I told you, look at how much this thing is gonna cost. If you're doing lamb, look at if you don't have money for ram, do like this. He's telling me you have this. So I said, go to that place, they give you that prophecy, let them do it for you. He said, he came to me, okay, you know that I'm available. You now go to one fake prophet. When they now give you prophecy and they ask you the money to pay, you don't find a way to pay. Now come back to me. God punish you. I can't be your second option. I can't be your second option to anybody. I am not so, I see, I am not a prophet. Whatever I do it for humanity. I can decide to carry my money to go and share to people, to poor. It's not your business. I can decide to off my camera. It's not your business. I'm not working for any man. And nobody controls me. I am the only man who has rejected money from Americans, who has rejected money from Occultic people, who has rejected money from Marine Kingdom and the first and second heavens. It's not that I don't need money. I need money, but there's some money that is trapped. People that came from UK, they said they want to build a hospital. Zion City Hospital, that was in 2023. I said, give me the money. They said, no, they want to be part of it. I said, no, that's not how God. God is saying, you're going to be city. It's the son and daughter, people that you make. Sometimes people will call me, hey, I want to sponsor, I want to support you. How much does it cost to do this or this? I say, join partner. They will not want to join partner, but you want to give me money. Why will you give me money? These are the trap. Like somebody just compare. I came from the social place. I want to see. You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see, keep your money. The problem is, I know that I have so many enemies. I am the most hated prophet in the world. Yes. I am the most hated prophet in the world. So they have set me in a trap. That trap cannot catch me because we are ahead of them. So that's why sometimes to look at, I don't have member. How would I have member when I be say, for some time, 1 year, I will not see anybody. This is the member. The member is on the street. I will come out and do program. I can spend 20 million. After doing program, I will not go there again. So why will you see the member? We came to impart people. So, but when we finish those things, something happens. Yes. So that's why it's not a juju something I need to give you. I have daughters in America, Canada, different sons and daughters. Do you know how many million? Okay. Do you know how many pastors can own that around for 1 hour in Nigeria? How many pastors I can be here from now to tonight? These people are paying for it. They thought we are poor. We're not poor. Just that enemies are fighting me. Yes. Enemies are fighting me. And most of people, they are, because of what I say, they don't want to come out on Facebook. It's only people that have the courage and they want to encourage you more. As you're coming out and share the telecast, God will increase your grace. That's why I tell some people now. I have a boy that from Germany. I pray for the guy. The guy gets breakthrough and get papers. He never, since then, I never saw him on my live program again. He stopped following. The problem, see, let me tell you, even if you're not giving million, be on live, share the telecast. You see, this is not, you think they're not trying to kill me. See, anyone that speaks the truth, first of all, they want to kill you. They want to blackmail you. They want to assassinate you. Okay, now, any pastor that in the world of does not have the truth. He have nothing to save you. What he have is to manipulate you and is working for Europeans. Why do you think they killed Gaddafi? Because he want the good of Africa. Why do you think they want to kill this Burkina Faso president, Ibrahim? Why do they want to kill him? Why do they not want to kill other president? Because he's adding value to Africa. Why do they want to kill David Yahweh? Why are they hacking my page? Why this program they have reported it? He can't share the telecast. I'm trying to share and I cannot share it. So anytime I'm alive, they will come and report my program, so it will not go viral. Thank you very much. You know, Rosemary, God bless you. May Almighty God lift you and bless your family and protect you. As you are supporting this ministry, it can never go on dry. Nobody that serve God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob are remain the same. Let me not lie to you. Israel are the richest people in the whole world. Why do you think Putin? Why do you think American president Trump win? Because he supported Israel, and Israel prayed for him. If not so, Trump cannot rule America. He have to make Israel the headquarters of Christianity. He's a Jew. He keeps Sabbath. So know this thing. I know it well. Who cannot deceive you? The richest people on the earth, they are Jews. Go to UK, come to Lagos. People that own VGC, they are Israelites. They are Jews. In case you don't know, it's Israel that have the VGC. One of the popular place in Lagos is the Israel that hold it. Go to America. Go to UK. They are the richest in the world. They are small people. They are the Jews. That's why, no matter what you do to Igbo, they will still pick up. Do you know how many billion the Jews, Igbos, have lost in Lagos just because of one policy? Because we did not vote for Trumbu. Trumbu enter and put laws. Many people lost their properties in Lagos. I lost my own property. Yes. People lost their property. I lost almost 4 plots of land. My friend lose his complete estate. People lose billions just because of one policy. But that is not the end of us. We will still pick up because we are children of God. God already told us we are not investing in Lagos much. God has told me Lagos is Egypt. So if you want to invest in Lagos, Lagos is commercial. It's good to invest in Lagos. You make your money fast. But take your money home. Or that place you are, invest your money there so you will not lose. You can do like a small mini hotel in Lagos. In Lekki, if you have the money. If you do it, there's money there, you will make more money. You make your money. Make sure there's the paper, they do the search, make sure it's not government property. People have lost, people are still losing. People are still losing billions. If you're not fast to sell your property, if it's government owned, they will take it. So, I'm here to tell you that we are, when you say one Nigeria, it doesn't like one Nigeria. We know that we're not one Nigeria. We're just under the shadow and they be frustrated. Now, many Igbo people know that I have power. But because you say, because I'm an Igbo man, or because I do not believe in your own DC, you call me fake. That's the only thing. But in your back, go to my WhatsApp. If I open my WhatsApp, go there and see all of them. See all the pastors. See Reverend Father. See the Reverend Sister. How did I know that Reverend Sister have babies? Is it not the same Reverend Sister that come? I'm in Brazil. I'm in UK. I'm this one. Is it not the Reverend Sister that will come and say, I have baby? Please don't put it on the internet to our baby by Reverend Father. Is it not Reverend Sister that said those things? We don't lie against anybody. The only thing that you don't love the truth. And now I don't want to fight any pastor again. Yes. Because I find out that we Igbos, we keep on creating problems ourselves. For now, I don't want to fight any pastor again. I don't want to fight any native doctor again. If you bring your problem, if it's native doctor, I will deal with the native doctor. If you bring your problem to me, if it's a occultic pastor, I can deliver you. But I don't want to be mentioning them because I've done this thing for many years. It's the only people, even the people that I helped to still join them, I'm the what? Calling me fake. What is my gain? What is my benefit for more than 10 years fighting an occultic kingdom? I'm only losing my money, losing my time, losing everything. But I'm only doing it for my people. So I can't call it first for humanity. Because I've saw what will kill my brother, I told you. Many of you know. So why will you not come out and we will not say support? You will not support. And you have benefited from the altar. So I will go and steal. So you want me to go and join Occult? You want me to go and join Mommy Water? You want me to go and join Jeremiah the Ebuke them? That time you will know that I'm a prophet. And over my dead body without watching the God of TB Joshua or Jeremiah or Ebuke over my dead body. But to this time I won't be talking about them. Let me not tell you, we don't serve the same God. No, it and go and do research. If God on Saturday and God on Sunday is the same God, come and take 100 million. What are you talking about? You carry Bible, you don't read your Bible. Go to Israel and pray to Melina. They will burn your life. Go to Israel and read your chaplet. Go there and pray to white Jesus. 2 years imprisonment. Just mention the name of Jesus. You hear those things, you will not talk about it. And what will not try to tell you. See, let me tell you, the Igbo church, the only Igbo church is Sabbath. That's why Yoruba man does not do Sabbath. Hausa man does not do Sabbath. It's only Igbo that have Sabbath. Sabbath is from Israel. That's why they say we are the Jews, we are the Israelites. It's the church of God. Then, that does not mean there's no fake Sabbath. Okay, because there's a fake phone, it doesn't mean you cannot use phone. Because they have fake phone, that does not mean you cannot use phone. This phone now is almost $1,000. They will see phone like a $50. All of them will receive call. That one is $50 will be moving more because it's cheap. Now, what the fake churches do for you, they collected money from their kingdom. Okay, who is sponsoring gay? Who is sponsoring lesbianism? The same people who sponsor those are the one that are sponsoring Church of Satan. If I was accepted, they will give me billion. Today we see me, I have private jet. So because when that movement is there, you follow. Is it miracle cannot perform? We perform the miracle. Is it healing we cannot do? We do the healing. Is it the word of God we don't have? We have the word. But why are you not supporting? Why are you not following? Because it's not of Satan. It's not of the word. God told me, the word will reject you because you're not of this word. So I know the covenant I entered. Before you can't, in this whole Africa, before you can't 3 prophets, 5 you must count about me. It's not about arrange you. It's not arrange you. You see, arrange, you have crowd, they come arrange, give people money, they come and be shouting on them. No. Come out on the street and perform the real miracle. Let us confirm. He can't try it. He can't do it. He can't do it. He cannot count 5 prophets in Africa that can perform real miracle on the street. It's not possible. Why I did it, I want to prove to the whole world as real, because this arrange has started a long time ago. TV not perform miracle, but even at that, before you enter the miracle program, they have to do what? They have to interview you and check if it's the one they can do. But to me, I'll meet people I don't even know. I will encounter that problem and I can conquer it. We are not here to paint them. Sometimes I mention them because truth is bitter. It can't do me not because it's truth. You thought they are doing everything to bring me that, to even kill me, not even to. No, arrest is small thing. I've been arrested, not one, not 2. So it's not longer afraid of arrest. Arrest what? If I arrest me, I will come out tomorrow. Do I not know that? I have my lawyer. My lawyer is a Sam. So if you arrest me, I have come out tomorrow. The only thing I have done things which I know that I need to do. My ministry is registered, it's legal. So you can't just come out and bring me. If you bring me now tomorrow, I'll come out. Yes, this is the Bible. I have to defend my faith. You can't come and bring me my faith and destroy my... No, can you do that to Muslim? Can you carry Quran and preach another thing? Can you carry Quran and preach another thing? Nonsense people. If you carry Quran, you must repeat what is in Quran. You must practice it. That's why you will not see a prophet of a Muslim prophet driving private jets. Because it's the same thing they're preaching. You can't see them. They say, I am the richest man. He cannot buy my shoe. He cannot buy my motor. He cannot buy this. The money I have. Because you're the thief. That is the thing. Muslims will go there and start doing their church. They don't even bother to build mosque or something. They will put their mouth and do this. If a church pastor want to build the most fight, make the church fine. If you know fight, they say, look at how the church is. Look at how the church is. His church is dirty. He don't even have AC. He don't even have this. Now, when the person when the person now cannot control what you people tell him, he will now go and join occult. He will begin to eat you people one after another. Any church that I see cry, that is occultic church, they are eating human being. People will be dying in that church. No church that people will die there. Go and check. Even Babarada that started the first Pentecostal. How many members does it have? Go to Babarada church that have the person that started the Pentecostal movement. How many members does it have? Show me the member that he have. The problem he have, he don't have sense. Can anybody do half of Babarada? No, he can't. Abba was living on the mountain, from mountain to mountain. It's when he now died, they now start from. It's not a church. It was a prayer mountain. They now turn it to church. That's why if you go to Barbara church Sunday, you will not see people. Only people came there weekend for the impartation, for the distance and go. And that's how this movement is. The other enemy is fighting, but very soon all those will end. It's already ended because the battle is already over. Now, why are you against Sabbath that is in the Bible that you have? The only thing that is in the Bible is Sabbath. You're against it. And you believe in Roman. You believe in Mary that God said don't pray against. You believe in fake Jesus. God said don't worship anything. You believe in nonsense. I will not call the fake. You call me native doctor. What is native doctor? Native doctor as spiritual is even better. Native doctor is not a bad name. The only problem is native is a traditional man who have the knowledge of power. That's what it means. If I say Akajofo does not mean he must have a handle. Akajofo means ordained by God. That's what it means in Igbo. Akajofo means you have authority. It's not that thing that you used to have. That is, you go and carry stick, put juju. That is not Ofo. Ofo is authority. When you speak, you have the power. That's why if you cannot say something, you come to pass. You don't have Akajofo. You're not Akajofo. You go and be carrying money and the keep people finish. They come and give village people money. They will now give you cab. Say you're Akajofo. Who made that Akajofo? You thought Akajofo is made by human being. Akajofo is a spirit. Whose spirit to follow? Is the Akajofo. Because you don't know what is. So I see one person say, you're crying Akajofo. I say, God will punish you. You don't know what is Akajofo. Go and ask who I am. Go and do research. I am a king. I am a spiritual warlord. I came as a divine. I am a spiritual warrior from ancient times. We bear the name Ezanyeshe. The name that will bear is my name. Our father bear Ezanyeshe means a king eyes cannot cover. That name is I am the person. A reincarnation of Ezanyeshe is a warlord. Why did I start killing witches? I don't fight witches before. I started killing witches 2017. Before I just put, I started killing them. I killed many of them. I've started killing them, many of them, because of the one of gay they killed. They killed this girl's mother when she was 12, and she learned. I met her on the bus. She was saying, snake is biting me, snake is biting me. I said, I want to help this girl. Then when I now traveled to the east to help my people, before I came back, they were going to give her poison. He went to a church. He went to a church. He went to a church. Not like he went to a native doctor. He went to a church. They collected her destiny. What are we talking about? Are we here to come and cover the truth? Because we are doing pastor. So if I will see the evil that you're doing, I will not talk about it. He went to a church. They collected her Bible, her destiny. From there, she became powerless. They give her poison. Many of you are just like, there's a crowd there. Why you go finish your business with scatter? If they already collected your destiny and give to the people that billionaires who build the church. How can you even go to church that one man build? How can you go to church that one man build? Your handbrake. God is say, I do not live in the hand they build with, the church they and the house they build with hand. That's why our altar is not weird. Our altar is a spiritual altar. I can operate from anywhere. Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue altar is not what you are seeing is a symbol of mountain I'm going to build. That's why we can go on the street and perform miracle. We can go to Enugu and perform miracle. We can go to Abuja. I can go to any country, UK, Canada, anywhere I enter America. The same miracle I'll perform. I don't need anybody to assist me. I have my angels 247 with me. God said, let all man be liable, let God be truth. Do you know what will rust because of this? God bless you. These are part of people that I have many pastors who are trained already. Some no go fit continue because of the law I keep is too much. You know, easy. Sometimes we sell everything, we use all our money, finish, you know, see food to eat. Okay, this is one of my evangelists. Actually, he was there. He's no longer with me now. Because God has blessed him. He have 2 boss. Immediately they see 2 boss, a land. Now, see, Chidon so is there. I have 2 boss. Go and ask him. Shut him up. Let him tell you. Ask him, since this year I have not seen me. These are the boy I pick. When I met him, he cannot even, he don't even have 1 naira. Let us not lie here. He doesn't have 1 naira. He doesn't have transport to come from where I was here. I'm not saying it to humiliate him. I'm using this thing to tell you what we have seen. We have seen Paul become rich. I make men and women billionaire. Somebody when no gets something less than how many years? 5 years. Today he's having two boss, more than what over 10 million. You say God do know the work. This is the power of God. These are somebody who have worked with me. I say how much? 15,000. The 15,000 I'm going to pay for him. You know, I don't like to come online to say miracle money. If I say it now, he says fake. Ask him. He received the 15,000. I don't even have money to pay that time. But God said, okay, I need somebody that will assist me. He said, how much are you going to collect? He said 15,000 that he was living with 1 woman. And I delivered him from the hand of the occultic woman that he is. Your God that he served tied him, meant to make him mad. He can't even pray then. You know? The same my son like this. He married a wife, they have a kidney problem. The same woman was healed. He refused to do testimony. He said he does not like the church. He does not like the church, but he wants God to heal you. God punish you. If you don't like my church, you don't like me, why will you come for the miracle? May God take away that miracle from you. You don't like me, are you coming for the miracle? I don't pray. It was a mountain of fire. You know, most of the church they pray, oh, Sabbath is evil. Sabbath is evil. No, I'm saying it now. This is why I'm using my son to say it. Is this evangelist? So ask him. Ask me. Go and ask him. Go and check him. Go and meet his wife. Ask her whether she have a kidney problem. His leg don't swell, but they don't swell. They don't go everywhere. Diagnosis. They have been spending millions. Only water I use. Bah, kidney problem go. We know the talk say. I know the talk miracle where they say can look for him. Go and check for him. Go to a place where he does not have 2 boss. Ask him. Even a brother refused to shorten him when he want to work with me because they don't say the guy don't light him off. His brother went to his side and said, shorten your brother. He said, no, he cannot shorten him. Because I have one guy that work with me. The guy carried my laptop and ran to Port Harcourt. So I said, anybody that want to work with me must have shorten. But when he came, I looked at him, I said, this guy do okay. Let's say I meet your brother. Your brother said he cannot do shorten. I said, okay, no problem, come and stay. After he made money, his brother is still dragging him. Someone that I abandoned before, his brother begin to drag him. See, let me tell you, God will give you a miracle that your family that abandoned you will remember you. You know, me, I'm not coming to paint word. If in a word, we have it. So, to come and praising myself for a miracle, I don't come here to talk, I say, make a conde. Ask him, the kind of battle we fight in Noka. The kind of battle we fight in Noka, snake, how many snakes did you kill there? They are sending snake for me. They thought it's today. Where I was in Noka was where they built an Shalom. I fought with all those Ashawo girls, all those people that sell drug. Is the place I went to stay. So they are saying, how can I come where they are doing a shower or something? That's why I was in Noka. Ask him, it's me and him that I stayed before he came. I already stayed. I used to stay there only me. In the night, they say I will kill you. Bring this one. We are come assassinate you. This one, you're disturbing our business because they are doing all those drug. I'm in their back. So when they give me that land, they thought the man that gave me the land, he have a stroke. So I came to pray for the man. When I prayed for the man was okay. So they gave me that land list to owe. I paid the money. Then now, later on, when the man recovered from the stroke, he now want to take the land back. He now use other people. When I come to Lagos, they will now start building something there. We should fight. Yes, we should fight. God say leave it. That man, I don't know whether he's alive or dead now. Because he cannot fool God. Somebody at first stroke, almost about to die, I came and prayed for him. He said, oh, you're looking for land. Oh, yeah, come and take this land. How much? He said, how much I'm going to pay? They said, the man have stroke. He cannot walk. I said, okay. Show me the way and I want to see him. When I went to the man cannot stand up. He cannot do this thing. That land, they're selling it for 40 million naira then. It's true. One, they market it. So I said, okay. Let me pray for you first, so you know that. The man was shouting, oh, it's because of you that I came to Anambra State. It's because of me. It's because of me. I almost died. Oh, my son. The man was shouting. He said, it's because of me I came to Anambra State. See, indeed. After the man was okay now, he forget that it's because of him I come to Anambra State. He now use another person. People that are doing furniture. What will now go 2020 TV. After our program we did there, we did every last Saturday. After the program, we now come to Lagos. Before I came back again, they already sold in half of my land. They already lease it again to people. They now spoiled it because it's an open ground. So, you know, imagine like a 2-plot on land or something. They now have taken the half of the place. So how the kind of program I want to do is a massive program where people come. So they already destroyed the land. I was angry. I said, why will you now do this? Why will you not do this? He said, we should begin be doing the other side. I look at it. I say, people. I say, you that old man like this, you that's supposed to die last year, maybe 2 years ago, that you doing this. So the man now want me to start fighting with another person. That's why I said, I build mountain finish, the mountain fall. They went to connect water from another side. Water was coming to that mountain to destroy what I built because I did not fence it. The water now for the building that we already spent million. I feed the praise. I spent always of 20 million because the prayer was dungeon. Water was coming. They have to sand fill. Put a lot of sand there because I need a site. But you know that is it. That is it for that time. Because that time Anambra State was 2017-18. Courts everywhere. So that place was everywhere that people can come easy. As I was coming from Lagos. It's not today. So but glory be to God. We have here. Glory be to God. We're in People's Club. We're about to leave People's Club because People's Club is not really a fantastic place for us. Because we must have a holy place. So when financial is destroyed, what will I just do? People's Club was built under occultism and everything. But we cannot be afraid of Satan. That's why I went there. And the place was in a site. So nothing concerned me with occultic people. You understand? When I came there, I saw smoke was happening. Smoke. I have to pray. Those smoke disappear. That is a occultism. So we are not, can never be afraid of occultic man. The only thing is, if you're in an occultic house, if you're in an occultic place, you'll be affecting what you're doing. So that justice. Anytime I want to do something, make sure the place is not an abandoned occultic place. So God bless you. So now, let me now teach about this Sabbath. About the Sabbath. I will teach about the Sabbath. Why anything you don't like about Sabbath, write it on comment section. Why are you against Sabbath? Is it because Sabbath is not the truth? Is it because Sabbath is not the Lord? Is it because Sabbath is Satan? Is it because Sabbath is native doctor? Tell me why you don't like Sabbath. Then I will tell you why you must like Sabbath. But you love to marry, love Roman Catholic, and you don't like Sabbath. Do you think Roman Catholic come out before Sabbath? Many of you don't know the truth. They say, Roman Catholic is a mother of church. Who told you that St. Peter started Roman Catholic? Who told you that St. Peter started, St. Paul, St. Peter, they killed them and buried them in Vatican City when they went for evangelism. And they said they started the church. Who told you? Who told you they started this? Show me where it's in the Bible that they started it. Show me where it's in the Bible that God, Jesus Christ, said, worship on Sunday, asked you to not to keep the Father commandment and begin to worship Saturday or Sunday. Jesus said, if you love me, keep my Father commandment. This man teaching you now, no Reverend Father can challenge it, no Pope can challenge it, no Bishop can challenge it, nobody can challenge it. If you try it, water will carry you like Pope. Nobody can challenge it. You can't challenge it. You can't challenge it. The only thing, they're taking you away from this truth, so you will not know. And once you know this truth, if you keep 10 commandments, you become God. Let me tell you, I swear that if you keep 10 commandments, he became God. The only problem is many of you don't know you have power more than your pastors. If I pray for you, you're already like a pastor. Because I'm imparting the raw power in you. That's why I don't allow people to come to me, especially women. It's hard for me to see you. Because I warned, and there are no things. He can't influence me with money. He can't entice me with a woman. That's why even the woman that is with me, In fact, my wife is God marry her. It's not, I'm not married. Because if a condition, God said, this is somebody, help her. And the truth that I know so many secrets about Roman Catholic. Because demons, different demons came fighting. These are somebody that is heading your church before. It's a prophetess in your church. Have different demons. I'm not saying it because I'm saying it here. You know, you can't speak against your own. I'm not speaking against you. This is why if I speak against you, I say if you can't marry me where you cannot be there, we'll deliver you. You don't want me to deliver another, please give away. We'll deliver you. You don't want us to deliver another one. Even if I speak against my Catholic, my wife will be. I say, please go one side. You see what I've been doing before you meet me? First time I saw you on the mountain, I told you this thing, your shepherd is a Satan. You let alone, he still came back, they deliver you from there. I don't want me to talk about it. You're an agent of Satan. Anyone who see what will kill other people, I did not want to tell them it's a satanic. Many pastors know this, they can't tell you, because they need crowd. If I need money now, I'll go and carry money, start doing like it, because you see crowd full. Because miracle then, I'll perform miracle, I'll lead rosary for you and they. If I enter Roman Catholic, will you pursue me? If I enter Roman Catholic, will you pursue me? No, my father was a Roman Catholic. My mother is an Anglican. Some of my brothers are Roman Catholic. My nobody died. The wife is still go to Roman Catholic. So that is it. So don't say Roman Catholic is your father name. One is I say if I say Mary is set up, did I say my mother is set up? I'm not talking to your mother. So you know nothing about Mary, you know nothing about Jesus. So if I talk about Jesus Christ, Yahsua from Israel is a black man, he said no. They now want me to believe the Zeus, the Isis from Egypt you worship, Greek god, called Zeus as Jesus. I want me to believe that. Do you know that Mary is Egyptian god, is called Isis? Go and check it. They do miracle, they do healing, they do many things, but it's not God. So forget about Brian, I see miracle, we do healing. They don't see healing. Ancient Israel, they are healers. Yes, it's called Chila, people that heal. They have been in ancient time before the Christianity. Elijah, them, do they go to church? They are Sabbatarians, but they do healing. They less dead. Elisha, then they less dead. You know, Jesus Christ have not condemned. Huh? So it's not all about Jesus. It's all about the God himself, the creation. These are being from the ancient time. So don't give all the credit to one idolater. Jesus never claimed to be God. No any praise. Jesus, he said, I am my God, I one. So me and my God, I one. That's why I answered David, Yahweh. Yahweh is my father. So it's also my father. It's also the way Jesus said is my father. I am is my father. These are the things. You need to go to the land to understand these things. Not if I don't call Jesus the way you call it, he say I'm fake. What make you believe I'm fake? Okay, now. Have you come and see Yoruba people cascade against Shalom and Salafi? Shalom and Salafi, do you know the kind of spiritual work they do? Do you know the kind of Shalom, Moses Solomon Malede? The Yoruba people, they go to grave of the man of worship. Where they started a ministry, Kale. They worship at his grave. It's called Mercyland, where they buried him. People sleep in the grave. But go and do it in Igbo land, they say you're occultic man. Babarola people go to his grave to sleep. He's Yoruba man. The Pentecostal man that started it, people go to his grave to sleep. Then go to Israel. People go to, there's a place I showed in my video now, I said the tomb of Jesus Christ, where they bury Jesus Christ. And Jesus Christ is no longer there, but people go to the grave and pray. Show me the grave of Edin and Og. No. Show me the grave of Musa, the founder of Holy Sabbath. You can't find it. If it's not by God, protection, they don't kill me. Now will kill me. Because they don't like the truth. Because I'm exposing the things they don't want me to expose. They want to go to church and be killing people with occultic. Many churches allow them, they come and build church, they're taking people's, drinking people's club in the church. That's why God said the judgment will start in the house of God. Let me not lie to you. I'm too spiritual for somebody to come and manipulate me. I'm too spiritual for you to think that your 2 billion will come and confuse me. I was like 18 years, I become multi-millionaire. Not even talking, I talk about, okay, this house, I bought this house 2005. 2005, have you think of buying property 20-something years ago? So we think we have not seen things. We have seen those things. Now, I made my money. I traveled different countries. I lived in London. I lived in Dubai. I lived in Singapore. So coming back to do the work of God, I cannot follow you to do that nonsense you do. If they ask you the meaning, you don't know that you're invoking demons, foreign angels. I speak in tongue. But that doesn't mean speak in tongue. All the tongue are not of God, from God. That Satan can also speak in tongue. They call enchantment, incantation, in a different format. They call it Kundalini. Go and type it, Kundalini spirit. It's an energy. That's why if they do meditation, the Kundalini, the snake, they are waking. It's called third eye. Those ones, they can also perform miracle. And Chinese people, they perform miracle. Chinese people don't die early because they understand the nature. If we teach you some things now, you say we are occultic people. But you know, you go to hospital, you saw snake there, and you don't complain about the snake in the hospital. But if I put out the same snake now in the church, you say, I want to be snake. Do you know the name? But they showed you that Moses made the snake, and they say, look at that snake. And they look at the sea, they say, they are alive. See, there's two snakes. Everything that is fake, there's a real one. Everything that's bad, there's good side. As I'm bad, they think I'm bad. I also have my good side. You can't judge by one side. The same snake who is killing people in Egypt, the same snake who saved them when they are in the wilderness. If you see snake in your dream, pursuing you is enemy. If you see snake in your dream, not pursuing you, it's a breakthrough. These are the things. That's why snake, they use it to show you house of Pharaoh. There's a snake of God, there's a snake of Satan. There's a church of God, there's a church of Satan. So you must know those things. Hey, the church, okay, when Moses came to the Pharaoh, he said, let my people go, so they may serve the Most High God. And Pharaoh refused. What's the first miracle? A snake. When Moses threw his staff on the ground, they thought if I come as a challenging occultic people, they will leave me. Do you know the kind of thing they're doing to me? To make sure that they donate me. And you're joining them. You're joining them to promote their kingdom. God will suffer you. You're joining them to hack my page. God will punish you. You're joining them to casket me. You can't see all of them that fight me. Where are they? Where is Zion Media Warrior team? Which is a wizard. He just enter church. Haven't you know that that's just of Satan? Those people that fought for Zion, are they Christian? JPAC, is he a Christian? Governor Zoku, is he a Christian? Okay, Chintak, is he a Christian? They know God? No, but they brought them inside to fight me, to promote their own. That's the politics. And you feel, they are powerful than me, they are this than me. The whole world gang against one person. Even Jesus Christ was killed. It's not that they are powerful than Jesus, but they killed him because it's written. But we cannot kill me, all of you will die. You can't kill me. I'm not Jesus. My name is Prophet Dibia with the spiritual world. The only what he will do, he may distract money. And that one he can do that one. He may hack my page, he may do some things of this world. But when you talk my life, no, you can't touch my life. You can't do that. All of you will just vanish. What will come out of you? I know what I sign. I sign power. I don't sign money. I don't sign crowd. I don't sign leashes. So the little I have is okay for me. Anytime I start want to, that means enemy will be able to harm me. Any that start to lie. Because you want to start making the world to love you, you have to start lying to them. Sabbath is only church that is in the Bible. The history of mankind. That doesn't mean if you see any Sabbath to enter. There's Sabbath of marine kingdom. There's Sabbath of marine water. There's Sabbath of occultic. Just know that. That I'm promoting Sabbath doesn't mean I don't know there's a fake Sabbath. I know that. Doesn't mean I don't know. I know many occultic Sabbath. I don't associate with them. I don't do that nonsense. Any pastor. No. We're not in the same. I have just few people I can visit. Maybe 1 or 2 people. If you open your eyes, tell you what is in it, especially Pentecostal. Those people, they are very wicked. Some very like more than 20 people, pregnant women in their altar. You know, they like to be their altar. Most of the altar is the satanic altar. Altar of God, they don't crime it. What will be the water? You don't even go close to it because it's a holy place. I will allow Occultic man come and crime altar. A comedian will come and crime altar. Asha will come and cry altar. He's the one who come and crime altar. Say they sing. What do you want to sing? singing from pit of hell. You know, the theme is, said truth is bitter, but we must speak it. May God bless you. Please, if you are not following my YouTube, follow it. Because most of my videos, they used to report it. Prophet David Yahweh Zion of Truth TV, YouTube. You follow me on the TikTok, Prophet David Yahweh Zion City, YouTube, or TikTok, Facebook. Those who are watching Facebook, follow me on Facebook, Prophet David Yahweh Zion of Truth TV. Prophet David Yahweh Zion of Truth TV, YouTube, and Facebook. TikTok, Prophet David Yahweh Zion. TikTok, Instagram, the same thing. God bless you. Today is the day of the Lord. It's not the day of a man. It's not the day of anybody. It's not the day of pastor or prophet or anything. It's the day of the Most High God. If you don't respect today, you know you have failed. You must be in that time, even if it's 1 hour, even if it's... See, start doing this every Saturday, even if you like work. Just bring out, say, Father, I cannot keep your covenant the way, but have mercy on me. And using this 1 hour to worship you. You do that and go. You see that your life will be progressing. You have time to go to nightclub and spend 4 or 5 hours. You have not time to go to parties and spend 10 hours. But you don't have time to spend 1 hour in presence of the Most High God. How is it? See, let me tell you. I'm the last person that can deceive you because of money. Do you know the kind of partners I have? Some will go to talk nonsense. I'll just block them. I'm telling you. Some of the world vision partner, they'll give you like $1,000 or $2,000. They want to come and start controlling you. They crazy. You thought that money. That's they bring the money aside, they share now. As you bring in the money aside, they share, because I don't want your problem to kill me. Taking your problem, taking your spiritual work is and taking your problem. That's the meaning. If you don't know it, nothing come out from spiritual work. See, many people that do spiritual work, they die quick. Either they're long mad, or the long mental, or the problem is too much. Come and scatter their family. You think spiritual work is not... That's why I see most of prophets, pastors, okay, see the girl that trained now, that pastor now, is the enemy attack. The pastor may be too good. The father may be too good. The enemy now enter, they shoot them. So they will say that, look at you, that are claiming holy, holy. Look at your daughter, he's sleeping on up and down. He become a harlot. It's the demons of you deliver, they enter your daughter. The man will be regretting. That is how he must be very careful. Prophetic ministries, he gives honor, he like it, but he have a lot of distraction. That's a lot of disaster. That's why a prophet, most of the prophets, you look at their family, they will divorce, they will sleep around. It's the demon that enter them, possess them. If you're not careful, if I'm someone that love money, I would 2022, I will have problem because of the things I say. Some people call you, okay, want to see you, or have an offer for you, want to see you. Most of them are trapped for you to enter. I have invitation more than 3,000 both Nigeria and every churches. I never attended one. Don't you know if I go to any church, I can collect $10,000, I can collect $5,000, I can collect 2 million, I can collect 10 million. All those things I'm talking now, I want to buy, I won't be talking it. Jesus is coming. So come and tell you Jesus is coming again. It's not. It doesn't want it. Since that time you're hearing Jesus is coming, have He impacted your life? We're teaching you things He can do. This is the secret of this world. This is nobody can make it without spiritual power. Nobody on this earth. Your pastor. But it's okay now. Yeah, you know, the phone was going on before. Thank you. Now, no pastor, no bishop, no prophet can make it without power. It can't be you that is not even this thing. Many pastors you meet, they have gone to collect power from Satan. And when they come out, they will sound like they are genuine. Many prophets, they have gone to graveyard to collect power. When you see them, they will be the one to castigate other people. So not that because you speak against pastor, make you genuine. No. But when you watch the person that speak, there is a limit. They can't speak what I'm speaking. They can't go that far to speak. Any occultic pastor, any money, they will talk. They will not preach all round. They will want to preach. Now I preach against pastors. I preach against anything. I preach against marriage. I preach against anything. I preach it. Now, they will choose things they will preach so to manipulate you. They will not speak against their own kingdom. They say, when the kingdom divide against kingdom, the kingdom cannot stand. The Bible told you, expose the Satan, so they will fray. So if I see that it's because you're doing pastor, you're doing evil, I will not talk about you. So the world will love me. That's not my assignment. I'm an assignment to bring down, to destroy the church of Satan. God told me, we're an assignment to win 3 billion souls, 3 billion souls, 3.5 billion souls. 2 billion souls are slaves in the church of Satan. They are caged by occultic pastors. Then 1 billion souls are in the world. Then 500 are native doctors. So native doctors don't even have much crowd. The most people, captured people, putting them to kingdom of darkness, to hellfire, is pastors and prophets and the evangelists and the reverend father and the bishop. They are the one taking people to the kingdom of darkness. That's why you see that pastor don't sleep with somebody's wife. Why would pastor sleep with somebody's wife? Because that is it. If you go to Revelation 17, they say this woman is a harlot. You have drink and give to everybody to spirit of drunkenness. You are drinking with a harlot. So that spirit of Kundalina, that spirit of Queen of Heaven, that spirit of immorality, most of people, you go for impartation. What they're imparting is demon, and you haven't lost. Check it. Most of churches, you go after going to church, you start looking for a woman lost. How can you come to church of God and you woman, they hungry you? It's the church. Many churches, many Pentecostal, you go there, you see that we are turned to a show. Church have turned to nightclub. He says modern church. Not like modern church. There's no power of God there. What is there? It's satanic. Kindolina, spirit of immorality, spirit of sin. And once they are doing that sin, the church will be growing. That's why they are not afraid of sin. The pattern of their growing is the pastor will be sleeping with different people. People, wife, people, daughters, choir, ministers. You sleeping with them. The pastor will doing that. So it's part of the growing of the church. They Satan like immorality. That's why God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah. Why do you think God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah? Because of the sin. The same people told you now to marry. Same marriage. The same useless people. Christianity. What? Nothing good about Christianity. Nothing good about Christianity. Anything. See, let me tell you. Let us say the truth. Nothing good about Christianity. The only thing you have multitude. Christianity is a religion to slave the whole world. To take you into evil. To take you into immorality. To deceive you. Nothing truth about them. I didn't know what I've been doing before. My church was Victory in Christ Miracle Ministry. That's what I'm doing before. But when I find out, if you go deep, you understand what I'm talking about. The only thing we don't want to tell ourselves the truth. If you leave the Christianity, start doing Judaism, you will not have crowd. And when you don't have crowd, you don't have money. So people who do church because of money. That's it. That's why I cannot help God. I closed my church 2015. Sunday church I used to do. That one, I'll do program with him up. I'll do program. You see millions of people. I'll look for video, I'll put it for you. I do program in the East. Crowd free everywhere. But now I do program, many people comes because it's different. They're not the same thing. Because the other one, Yahsua will come, Israel will come, Occultic people will come, everybody will come. But this one now, Sabbath, once he says Sabbath, no. People run. They want to check. If it's marine Sabbath, they will come. If it's Occultic Sabbath, they will come. If it's Sabbath truth, they will run. Pastor will run. Witchcraft will run. Because you don't want to be. Once he come, he capture, they will expose. Yes. People go to church or the Catholic. How many people manifest inside the Catholic? All the witches and wizards are inside. All the occultic people are inside. Every witch is inside. That's what they hide. They will carry separate. You go to their house, they will build big cross inside their house. Inside that place, they build big cross. They bury human being there. All the billionaires and neighbor and that. Most of them, 80% of them, they will go and build church. Which church are they building? Why is it that all of them are building the Catholic church? The Catholic, are they hungry? They are not hungry, but they still build the church for the Catholic. So capture more people into their kingdom. I had one pastor preach, the richest church in the world is the Catholic. Yes, because it's a slave church. What's the first church in the Bible? Sabbath. Why is it not the richest church? No, if the Sabbath is the church of God, the first church, why is it not rich? Why is it the Catholic that steal from them and he's rich? You show that something you do, other people don't do. You're occultic. That's why you're growing. That's why you're growing. You're deceiving people. You can dash people money. You can give them anything just to deceive them. Pay Lord Peter and pay Paul. Occultic man will come and give money. You use it to help people. Before you know it, people begin to die inside the children to pay back to the money they collected from the Manin Kingdom. See, if you know what we know, if you see me, we're thanking God. If you know what we know, I will just, may God help me, I will not be calling anybody name, but I can't stop speaking what I'm speaking because this is why I'm here. What's my gain? I get crowned, people they die. I get crowned, the church full, I get big church. Now what I go chop up. How old am I? How many years am I going to live now before I die? As long as you reach, you don't need to. You will be praying for you to die because nothing will be. Now I say I don't even eat. I never eat now. I never eat. So all the money, what am I doing it for? It's nothing. You want to buy all the can, only one he goes to stay. You want to build mansion, only one room he goes sleep. You want to have everything, only one thing. You can't do more than that. So anytime you understand that our riches is the mind, peace of mind is what can. That's why we are the most powerful people. It's not about God. People that are monk, people that understand spirituality. Anybody that come and tell you money, things of the world, is not a spiritual man. It's a carnal man. It's an occultic man. Because no spiritual man that can boast with money, because money is not part of rich. Money is not part of rich. Rich is not a rich. What make you rich is the people that have imparted what you know, the knowledge. The Moses, Solomon. Okay, now Solomon give 1,000 cow, give everything, offer how many burrock to receive wisdom. Was he looking for money? That's why we know. Was he looking for money? He said, I need the wisdom to rule my people. God, please give me wisdom. That will tell you that it is not money that you need. What you need is wisdom. Idea from God. One idea will make you who we are. That is it. You're chasing money. No, they can't chase money. It's idea you need. If you have idea, money comes. What problem can you solve? That's why I can know people from America, Canada, UK, this one. If I can't solve problem, nobody can know me. Many of them now, they're sleeping. I have people. Even if they cannot do all what I want, they are trying. I can't despise that father, some can bring 1,000, some can bring 500,000, some can bring 1 million. So this, but that's why we'll be able to do all those things. Program we did program free. We did free in Lagos, we did free in abroad, we did free. How many pastors did free program? I can spend millions and do program without collecting offering, no tax, nothing, no 1 naira. Where did it happen? No money spent. It's the partners. So thank you for everybody. God bless all my partners. You know? I'll tell everything, you know. And that's not what we can do. If you don't like Sabbath, what's the reason why you don't hear Sabbath? Because you man want Sabbath or man about occultic man. If you know that one is occultic man, is that the reason why I cannot go to Sabbath? Is that the reason why we say Sabbath is fake? Is that the reason why we call Sabbath prophet a naughty doctor? Because you know one fake prophet that is a Sabbath. Then what about Roman Catholic that the foundation is occultic? You don't talk about it. Who is free who? Stop all those nonsense you're doing. Church, Sabbath, the church in Dibia. Why about Judaism? Anybody that have said know that Sabbath is a tradition. That's why we're back to the roots. Back to the roots, how we did for ours. We're going back to the roots, how we did for more memory. Going back to the roots is go back to the original, the creation of never that. Today is the seventh day, the creation. God rested. God bless everybody. I'm here to pray for you. Those who are having kidney problem, let's see your hand in your kidney. I want to pray for you. Because as long as you keep this Sabbath, you must receive something. In this altar, we have many kidney problem on the telecast. Some give their testimony, some don't give their testimony, but at least I've seen some. So I'm here to pray for every genuine follower, those who love God in spirit and the truth. If you have never known about Sabbath before, don't cascade, go and check the meaning of Sabbath. Sabbath is not of man, it's of God. Sunday was made by man. Every other thing is made by man. Sabbath was made by God. I have done this, I've done research, I've spent millions to travel abroad, went to Israel to do research. So that's why if I'm talking under in control, I'm talking with challenge. If you can prove to me one place Bible say worship on Sunday, come and take this house. It's lucky. It's over 100 million. Come and take it. But I will tell you, you can never find a place. God say, you will find more than 8 places. God say, if you don't keep Sabbath day, you will perish. So which one will you obey? Will you obey the one God say, or you obey the one because of a pastor want to make money? If I put Sunday church now, people will fool because Sunday people are not going anywhere. Today people go to wedding. People go to their own business. People go to their main thing. But that is it. The truth remains, it cannot help God. So we're here to do the will of God, not the will of man. So if you love the truth, you follow. If you don't like the truth, you can follow. I pray for you. In any hidden secrets in your body, in anything the enemy have implanted into you that is not of God, that they are waiting for you to make money, the thing will start eating it. I command that kidney problem to die. I command that HIV to die. I command that high blood pressure to die. I command every sickness, every attack from pit of hell to be destroyed. By the anointing of the Most High God, the covenant I signed with Yahweh, I stand on the covenant to sign the most powerful prophet in the world. I control the most powerful altar with 1.16 million angels. The angels that are here, that 1.16 million archangels, celestial beings. Anywhere you are, distance is not a barrier. Just share and type with their what things are possible. That promotion you're looking for, I command, let them be open heaven for you. Today is our day 17th of 21-day fasting and prayer. Fasting and prayer cannot give you money, but it will give you spiritual power to overcome your enemy and to draw close to the Almighty Yahweh. People thought if I fast finish, I have money. If you fast, it can be broke. That's why I'm advising my members to fast just 6 to 12, pray in the night. The time I fasted for 1 year, 5 years in the wilderness, I broke. I almost sold all my things. Because enemy, devil don't even want you to fast. Now, if you're having masturbation spirit, how can you kill it? It's through fasting. If you're having spirit of rust, how can you kill it? It's through fasting. If you don't know what you're doing, how can you come back to your normal senses? Fasting. Because when the flesh begin to come down, you have sickness like high blood pressure. Be on fasting. Your system will become normal. If you're having kidney problem, be on fasting. As you're going to a dialysis, also be fasting. Change your pattern of food. Stop eating in the night. Stop eating in the night. Because that time you're sleeping, your body need to work. This is why we fast sometimes. Fasting is healing. There's a fasting for healing. Drink water. Drink more of water. Don't almost wake up in the morning, start eating. Wait till 12. If you can do that therapy, it's another realm. Your cell that died will begin to renew by yourself. If you're old, you begin to become young. Eat fruit, eat vegetable. You will see that sickness, you'll be spending millions in the hospital, will just go. All of a sudden, you will not see that pain in your body. These are the wrong food. Stop eating shawarma. Stop eating hot dogs. Stop eating meat. Go to alkaline food. Go to fish. These are part of it. That's why Jesus said, stop eating fat. It's in the Bible. Leviticus, you read it. All those catfish. It has so many fat. Pig. Now people are eating pig like salad. You don't eat bitter something. Bitter leaf. Scent leaf and the otazi. Those are things for health. That's why our forefathers lived 100 and something years. And they're still working. Now, if you get to 50 years now, arthritis don't finish it because of the fat you're eating have broke your vein, everything. If you can't even run from here to here, do exercise. Do exercise. We're in the AC from morning to night. From morning to I've done exercise. Buy bicycle. If you cannot run, buy bicycle. It's calorie distance. You're doing it, all your body, all your system will be broad. Because the reason why we are dying young is blood is not circulating in your body. All your arthritis, the fat have blockage everywhere. You can't breathe more time, you don't faint. You have high blood pressure, you die. Because of the food we eat. High cholesterol. You can sleep, you will not wake up. It's fat. Stop eating meat. Let meat, nothing good for me. Stop. If you want to live long, cut red meat. Milk. No. Even if you want to do once in a while. Coffee. Cut down. Green tea. Good. Go on garlic, go on ginger, go on natural thing. Eat onions. Onions, if you're having heart, let's say you have heart enlargement, eating onions, eating onions, the thing will come down. carry ginger, grand oatmeal, ginger, oatmeal, all those are the things that you need for your health. You see that all those sickness you've been spending me, that's why they are fighting me. They know the kinds of things I want to be teaching people. If you're mad for many years, I can cure it, but I need a space. That's why I say I need land. This is not talk now. Come and challenge you. Buy the land, bring person that is mad. If you cannot be able to kill them, you take the land back. But devil will never allow the good thing to stand. What am I going to do? Am I going to kill myself? No. Something taught me something. The guy that make me to go spend 21 days in prison did not die in my church. Just that that's all. What about if the person died in my church? That means I will not, life imprisonment they will give me. That's why anything I want to do, I will do it in public place. I know what I'm doing. Women that want to come and see me, most of them, they are coming to set me up. Yes. They come and then naked. Hey, want to let me? Hey, have left me. They will remove your pants. That's why we are just, Bible says, be careful for nothing. It's not that we're afraid of them. No, we're not. But God said, free. Almighty Samson was killed by Delilah. You think if I'm a lying woman and never see the one who say, the Yahweh don't fuck me, I have evidence. He said, you come and bring his bread and take picture. He say, I'm fucking her. That's why we don't give you a chance to come. Talk yourself, keep your money. If you not go feed the prayer, if you not go feed work online, go to your church. If the prayer not go feed work online, not go feed come where I'm doing program. Bye. I'm not interested. I didn't come because of you. So because I know your strategy. You come here, you be naked, you bring camera. Hey, the Yahweh don't let me. He don't let me. He don't let me. That's the thing they are looking for. They cannot find. He collected my money. That's why if I do your prayer, you'll be online. He collected my money. He pray me for. If your money is for Salaka. So if you bring your money, go and buy Salaka something. You don't give to me. So if you don't want, go to your church. Go and bring your police. He pay for Salaka, do Salaka for you. So what's that? So others will do. So I know that all your strategy. That's why we're using that format to follow you. That's now. If Konema die, Konema will bury him. So that's why they try everything. They try. Why they want to arrest the one they don't see. The wisdom is what you need to sell. We are not afraid of our enemy, but we must be wise. God said, "Lamb." Elijah ran. Jesus ran. My time has not come. A lamb. If you know ran. Now, this message, I will cut this video. I want to say this message. It's a prophecy. If you know, take it serious, you go down. See Matthias. This message, you go make it tag Matthias. Matthias, you have tried. You have tried. Thank God that he came back from this one. They are trying to kill you. And you're not my enemy, you're not my friend. They are trying to kill you. Matthias, just be careful. Matthias, this is what God showed me. Another person they're trying to. You see, this one, you see, they arrested you because of that land. It's not because of the land they arrested. They arrested you because you're fighting church. But they use that land to do like whether they want to sentence you, but you know work for them because the business you do. Another one is still coming. Mark it down. If you're not happy, it will be like Ogechi. Ogechi, I won that last year. They thought I'm joking. They will deceive you. You have tried. If you know be God, I for don't die you. They for don't kill me. They don't assassinate me how many times. So, and I will not write you to die, Matthias. I love you. You're trying. But too much of everything is bad. Anybody who have come to help Ndibo will be disgraced, will be banned, will be sentenced, or be killed. So take that one. Use sense. You don't try. You don't make your point. Calm down. Continue your preaching. They do some things. So, another person is very dark black man. Come here. Very dark black man, come here. Today is what? 17th? $17.5, Abby? 2025. This one, he come out. The rest, he come out. Politicians want to buy you. Yes. Very dark black man. Be coming down. Be coming down. We don't want to lose any of you. Be coming down. Share this and cut it and put and share it to that black man. They are trying to kill you. They are trying to kill you, but God will protect you. Because you're trying. What you're doing now is what I've done. That's why they hacked my page. So they're trying to buy you, and they will not die. May God protect you, but be wise. They say forward mouth lead to destruction. Do not be too forward. They say after God, now government. We're not afraid of them, but we must use wisdom. If not so, even Jesus Christ lamb, and at the same government that then kill Jesus. If the government give you allocation, what you go do? They don't shoot you. That's why a policeman can say, I'll kill you, nothing you will do. If care not taking. Do you know how many people have killed in the street? Police will kill them and say they are criminals, they are assassins. Edina Nog never killed anybody, they killed him. He's a great man. Edina Nog knows a lot of spiritual things. I know Edina Nog. I met him one-on-one in that Agro Lake. That was 1990, where we went to do sacrifice, went to pray for people in the water. No Sabbath, we used to go to water. So Edina Nog do like Sabbath. I met Edina Nog 1990. In the where they come to do prayer. He himself come to do prayer. That time they carry cow or ram. In the bring like 5 cow. They do sacrifice. 10 cow, they do sacrifice. But they, you know, what did they rebel me? Last 2023, they want to kill me. So they first of all rebel me, tell me so many things. So when they hear say I die, you say I'm an evil man. That's how they do it. But it didn't work for them. So you now backfire. So they'll find out things they will do. They will use to kill. So when they kill the person, nobody will feel it. So but sometimes if God is on your side, you be careful. Anyone who came to serve and able to speak the truth, very careful. Another person is Ebedamina. Ebedamina, they are also on the map on target of pastors, occultic pastors, because you are destroying their business like Yahweh. So you are part of the target. So you have to be very careful, especially you're still talking, you're still going from church to church. But I will advise you to be preaching in your church. Stop going from church to church if you want to live long, so they will not kill you. And even if you go for program, don't eat food there. Don't let them. If you want to eat, go out by yourself and buy food. If not so, I'm saying you're having problem. So which other message again do I have? Then another message is Mazin and the Kalo. Mazin and the Kalo will be out. You need prayers. And God is already on his own side. Like I told you people that God said, he put Mazin and the Kalo in the prison to preserve him. If he released him, there would have been war or they would have killed him. So that God put him there to preserve him. And I also have to pray for our brother in Freeland, Samanekwa. May Almighty God bless. I want to also pray for my governor, Governor Soludo, enemies everywhere. Because what you're fighting is a battle I've already fought, and God is using you to accomplish it, like a fighting native doctor. We can't fight good native doctors. We can't fight good Edison because this is our brothers and this is our sister. We fight against the evil one. We can't fight pastors not to go for evangelism. No. But we tell them not to making noise. Like that kind of 5 o'clock, they used to come and make noise. No, that one is not good. If you go to church, no, it's not good. Let us tell the truth. People will be sleeping. You come and on speaker, making noise. No. You can do evangelism in marketplace or some places. But too much of noise is not good. So, but that doesn't mean you cannot preach the gospel. The word of God must be preached. So, and that's why you can go to water, but you can give them discretion not to throw all those things in the water. They can go to water and do their prayer. These have been in the existence of mankind. So let's not say the truth. The problem, they abuse it. Even if you claim that okay, people they used to hide it. Now I make it to aqua and the media will make it to look like it's the way of life. This is not. Do you know how people that die because of witchcraft? Do you know how people that die because of marine kingdom? Any other one that telling you water is taking you to satanic kingdom. It's not the way. But that doesn't mean God is say, choose who to serve and give you your choice. So I am not hypocrite. I can't tell you not to do what you want to do. But I cannot come and challenge my God. I will not. The reason why I fight Aquako is challenge my God. The reason why I fight Ebukobi is challenge my God. Me and Ebukobi doesn't worship the same God. That is it. All those we say I mentioned Matthias. Anyone you see that I fight, they challenge me, my God. No. You can't call me fake when you are fake. You can't call me a occultic man when you're occultic man. You want me to keep quiet. No. This is a legacy I built for many years. This is my 35 years in ministry. So I can't watch you along me down. Even if you're a billionaire, I'll match you one-on-one. So if you don't want problem, mind your business. I'm trying to mind my business, you too. Like people like Ebuko, you have to also mind your business. Before you come out and cascade Sabbath, Know that Roman Catholic worship Satan. So know that. Go and do research. So God bless everybody. My number is this: 0903-222-6076. 0903-222-6076. To everyone who are watching, I pray, let them be open heaven. This is prayer for divine mercy and the open heaven. Our day 17 of fasting and prayer. Make sure you pay your partner, pay your tithes, and give your offering. Today is Saturday. Give your offering. The account number is there. And if you have not paid your partner, pay your partner. I will be praying for everybody. All my partners. If you have not joined partner, you can call and join partner. You join partner, you pay for Salaka to help other people, to help the poor and to help the movement. Only me cannot do this. If it by my will, I would have stopped since. But because of people like you supporting this thing, bringing the money, bringing everything, me too, the hustle to do my own business, they will support. So God bless everybody. So make sure God will bless you on this telecast to buy land. At least this house I may buy with my money. They take you and they work for you people. So which one have you bought? Be part of building the altar. The Anambra project. We are going to build free hospital. We are going to build free school. We are going to build free this thing. Free prayer mountain. We are going to build free hospital too in Enugu State, in Abia State. So in the Imo State, in Ebony State. So we're going to move around. So, but I say charity because at home, whatever we are doing in Lagos, let us also do it in Igbo land. Like I said, I will stop fighting Igbo native doctors and the pastors because no matter what I do, you don't appreciate it. So let me also mind my business. So I've done what I need to do. So I won't be calling anybody's name. May God give me power to do that. And I want to appreciate everybody. If you choose to go and worship Satan, it's up to you. If you choose to worship the true God, it's up to you. Because whatever I say, finish. There is, you don't have money. Because we have money because you're worshiping through God. Aqua cannot get money. Does he worship God? The minute we don't get money. It's not about who. We choose this path. So it's not all about money. Money is not this state. When they come to spirituality, not like money is zero. Any spiritual man, any spiritual person don't talk about money. So that is it. God bless you. So, and the little J Park and the Governor Chukwu and the Marine Justice also show mercy on our sister Ogeshe. Ogeshe have crossed the line. He has said something. I warned her. But because of her children, it also show her mercy. So you will not be sentenced. So God bless you and God bless everybody too. Bless all my Igbo brothers all over the whole world. Whether you're Christian, whether you're your tradition, we are all one family. We are Jews. All the Jews are tradition. The only problem you don't understand, religion brought division. And the religion that brought division, they are Romans. Those are people that brought foreign religion. So Sabbath is not a foreign religion. Go and do research. That's why you cannot see Yoruba people doing Sabbath. You cannot see outside. The Sabbath is we in the Igbo church in the Igbo originality. So God bless you. Thank you for joining us. Shalom.